Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a great day today. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make rice sweater for fast hair growth. Now, what you will need for the items for making the rice sweater, you're going to need rice, and you can use any rice that you would like. Brown rice, white rice, jasmine rice. I chose to use the organic white rice because it was on sale. You're going to need a mason jar or any container with a lid so you can store the rice water for a few days. You also will need a spray bottle because after the rice has fermented, you're going to put the rice water into your spray bottle so you can put on your hair. And this is optional that you can use essential oils because anyone who knows that rice water can be really smelly, so I chose to use tea tree essential oil as well as peppermint essential oil just so it can make the rice water smell better. And let's get started. So first, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to take your container and your rice, and you're just going to want to pour it into the container, as you can see me doing right here, and I will speed it up so you guys can see. Now next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to fill it with water, just a little bit to go over top of the rice, because what you want to do is you want to wash the rice sweater. You want to get all the impurities, the dirt, any dust, anything like that off of the rice sweater before you actually start to ferment it. So I like to just put some water and just stir it around a little bit just to clean the rice up. Okay, and now that the rice is clean, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some water, and I usually take lukewarm water, and I'm just going to eyeball it and fill my mason jar. Now, there is no certain ratio of how much rice to water that you can use. I just chose to use a lot more water because I do know that I'm going to be doing a rice water challenge, and I needed as much rice water as I possibly can. So here you see me just filling the mason jar up a little bit, and then as you can already tell how the water got cloudy, that's all of the nutrients from the rice being released and into the water. And then I'm going to take my tea tree and my peppermint essential oils, and I'm going to drop a few drops, or I should say a lot of drops, in the rice water mixture because I don't want the smell, because the rice water smells really bad. Trust me guys, it smells really bad. Again, this is optional, and just so I can get more nutrients for my hair, because tea tree and peppermint is really good for your hair and your scalp. And now I'm just going to stir it all around, mix that essential oils into the mixture, make sure I'm releasing some nutrients from the rice, just so everything is good and well mixed together. After a while, I even will put the top on it and give it a good shake, just because I just want the best and the most that I can possibly get from the rice water. Now I'm going to let this sit for a good 24 hours. Some people even will let it sit for like 3 hours or so, or 30 minutes, but no, I'm going to let this ferment for 24 hours, and after it's done, I will drain out the rice and put the mixture into my spray bottle to use all over my hair. Alright guys, and that's how simple it is to make rice sweater. All you need is a few simple ingredients and the instructions are very simple. Now I will be doing a challenge where I put rice sweater in my hair for a full week, so make sure you check out that video and don't forget to subscribe to all of my social medias, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!